Hello, it's Clickly, a visual development tool for mobile native applications where designers, developers, and other team members can collaborate in real time in order to create a native mobile app. And they can start from scratch, from a template, or with the help of AI by prompting it or by providing some design as an image. This application, for instance, was generated from this design I found on the internet, and it created these few screens. And then once you've got your application, you can change anything on this visual editor, reorganize stuff, whatever you want, and everything. The vision is right here. You can publish your application to App Store or Play Store, or just to prevent vendor lock-in, users can generate the source code, download it, and continue in the IDE of their choice. That's the Clickly on a very high level. I also wanted to show you a couple of diagrams just to illustrate some of the ideas behind Clickly. First of all, I believe the tool plays really well on this intersection between designers and developers, just to help with this hands-off process between them. So they can both parties can work together in the same tool, and designers can can work not with the graphical primitives in Figma, but with the native components and check them out on their mobile phone, how they not just look like, but how they behave. And that's really superpower, I believe. And also another great idea to illustrate is this. It's when you start with the code, traditional code, the entry bar is pretty steep at the moment, at the beginning, but then it becomes linear. To help that, no code can help you without needed coding, like in a visual way, but all the no-code tools, they have their own limitations. And at some point, to maintain an extensive app in a visual way becomes basically impossible. And you can benefit from this idea and start with the code, and at some point continue with code. And that's what I believe good no code tool should do. But then AI comes and it allows you to start even easier, but then you hit the limit somewhere earlier. But when you combine all three together, that's where magic happens.